This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a data logger. First, let's understand what a data logger is. It's a compact, battery-powered device that automatically records data from sensors over extended periods. This allows for continuous monitoring of conditions like temperature, humidity, or pressure, providing valuable insights without needing constant human presence. They are incredibly useful for long-term studies or remote locations, capturing thousands of data points with precision. Next, let's get your data logger ready for action. Begin by selecting a suitable location for deployment, ensuring it's representative of what you want to measure. Then, carefully connect your sensors, such as temperature probes or humidity sensors, to the designated input channels. Finally, power up the device, typically using internal batteries that can last for several months or an external power supply for continuous operation. Now, it's time to configure your logger. Connect it to your computer and use the provided software to set crucial parameters. You'll define the sampling rate, perhaps recording data every 5 minutes or once an hour, and specify start and stop times. Once configured, disconnect the logger and deploy it in your chosen location. It will then autonomously begin collecting data according to your settings, often storing thousands of readings. Finally, let's retrieve and analyze your collected data. After your monitoring period, bring the data logger back and connect it to your computer. The software will allow you to download all the recorded measurements, which could be tens of thousands of data points. You can then visualize this data through graphs, perform detailed analysis, and export it for further study, gaining valuable insights from your project.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.